It's a new day for the metal casting industry. Thanks to the unique 3D sand printing capabilities using our binder jetting technology, we are revolutionizing the foundry industry around the world. Exactly how is this technology changing the industry? To answer that question, we took a visit to Shelbyville, Indiana, and a state-of-the-art facility recently opened by Kimura Foundry, marking its first entry into the international metal casting industry. Kimura designed this foundry with our S-Max technology as its main system to 3D print sand molds and cores, doing away with the need to use patterns to create tooling. In fact, Kimura has designed a complete A to Z system of production that includes design, 3D printing, cleaning and inspection, metal pours, and finishing, all in one location. Company President, Dr. Yoya Fukuda, spoke with us about Kimura's operation and how the company evolved to embrace our technology.
So Kimura Foundry, we have 91 years history in Japan, and now our management president is the fourth generation. We start to use wooden pattern, then we change to formal process. We call the styling form pattern. In Japan 6 years ago, when we started this 3D printer business, we discussed, we researched all the 3D printer in the world. We know several different printer makers, but after our research, we understand the ExOne print is more better, and it has a very high technology, very good the printer quality.
Making ExOne binder jetting the core of their US operations was just the beginning. Kimura created an all-in-one operation in Shelbyville, unlike anything we've seen. Let's take a quick tour of their A to Z production capabilities.
We are foundry. Make casting is our job. So our advantages make casting. We have our engineer design. We design the casting, print some more. Finally, we will cast them and check them, guarantee all the quality. So that's why I think we should build all the facility in one area, in one location. That's why we will do everything here.
Kimura created 25 new jobs in Shelbyville, including design engineers and foundry specialists. We spoke to Eric Johnson, the lead design engineer responsible for the S-Max production and quality.
The ExOne technology is very advanced, and it gives us the surface finishes that we need to get the products out to our customers. With what we can print using the ExOne printers, you can do undercuts and cores and stuff that you would not be able to create with the original or traditional foundry practices. There's a lot of detail that you can make that would not be possible if it wasn't for the ExOne printers.
For Kimura, this is just the beginning. Overall, the company has a total of 8 ExOne machines, including an S15, S-Print, 5 S-Maxes, and an S-Max Plus, with plans for expansion, impacting the US economy and foundry industry in a major way.
Here you can see we have more space at here. So in the future, we want to install more 3D printer in this room and expand our building so we can install more inspection equipment, expand our capacity. We have a very big dream. In 2027, it will become our 100 years anniversary years. So we want to get successful in United States and support all of the prototyping casting made by 3D printer technology in the world.